Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Scythian Oracle. This is from the creator who brought you the Phoenician Oracle that we reviewed on the channel a little while ago. So this is by Melia Cogan, and this retails for $26 in the US, and I will link in the description box as always where you can purchase this legitimately should you want to. It comes in this cute red satin pouch, and then it does have this little parchment type rolled up guidebook here with the information about the deck. So this is the back. I just wanted to show you real fast. Love that. Let me tell you a little bit about this before we go into it. So the Scythians were a warring nomadic tribe of the steppes who utilized horsemanship to fuel their westward expansion. So Melia created this oracle as a divination tool from their pictographic alphabet. So delve deeper into Scythian culture with this 30 card set, red satin bag, historical references of cards, and guidebook. So I am excited. Let's take a look at this guidebook real fast. How creative, how fun. So it unrolls like this, like a old parchment paper. Love that. So then it goes into each of the cards with the symbol next to it. We've got some keywords here and some information about the cards. Let's see. We do have more descriptions. Awesome. So the back of the card is a gold plaque of a mountain Scythian, Black Sea region, circa 400 to 350 BC. How very cool. So we are also getting some history lessons as well. Love that. So we'll come back to the guidebook after the flip through here. All right. So before we get in, let's just take a little note of the cardstock. It's on the thinner side. I'm not mad at it though. It's very flexible. There's a slight gloss to it. I wouldn't call it a high gloss, but there's a gloss there. I think it's fun. It's a nice size. I love a thinner cardstock personally, just because I shuffle so much and I crochet that my hands are just done. They have no strength for the very hard and thick cardstock. All right, let's get into it. Looks like we have the title up top as well as the keywords there. We do have a symbol down below. I think this is very cool. I think this is something that's different. It's very unique. I haven't seen another deck that is about, or the Scythians. I have not seen anything like this before. I think that is really cool that we have more of a historical type deck like this that we can use for divination. And you get to learn something. Very cool. This gives me similar vibes to like a rune deck. Ooh. The backgrounds are really cool. Love like that nebula type vibe. This is like not only great to learn a new thing from, but like a great daily pull, great confirmation deck. I like the size. It's longer, or I should say taller, than it is wide. All right, very cool. Let's see how it shuffles here. It is a little bit on the longer side, so my my hands don't fully grasp it, but that's okay. There we go. And it is a smaller deck size. It's 30 cards, but I'm not having too much of an issue shuffling it. And it shuffles fine this way too. It's just a little bit longer, that's all. So you kind of just have to adjust to that. That's all. All right, can I get a card to read, please? All right, we're going to read for only. So it's eggy, unique, loyal, and preference. And this is the symbol below. All right, so we're going to read here for only. Eggy, eggy. So unique, loyal, preference. One cannot explain why a person resonates with your spirit. When they do, a deep connection is made. They are the one and only like them, and you will always pick them over others. Loyalty can only be proven with time, though, not ever forced. And then we have one other little spot here with the symbol. So Gi is one or only, the Scythian bronze statue. All right. So what this last section is with this chart here is the photo, what's in the card. That's really cool. It tells you the history of where it's from, what it is, and what period it's from. That is really cool. I am excited to get to know this a lot more. I think this is different. It's unique. It's fun. I love the feel of this, where it feels like you're going back in time and through history. There is a lot here. And for $26, I am not upset at that price tag. I think this is unique. It's different. Definitely fun to use with other like goddess decks, with your mythical decks. This is great with a lot of other collage tarot decks. I know I have a couple on my channel that I've reviewed, so this would go very well with those. I'm excited to get to know it a little bit better. So now I want to know about you guys. What do you think about this deck? Is this something that you're enticed by? Is it interesting to you? Is this something unique, up your alley, or is it a pass for you? Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comments section. And if you made it this far, drop a horse down in the comment section to let me know that you did. Thank you so much to Melia for sending this deck our way. I am so appreciative. Congratulations on another deck. Thank you guys for hanging out with me and spending your time with me. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.